Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together.
Emma? I think we're lost.
What? No way. Let me check. Google Maps. Okay. Yeah. We're definitely not where we're supposed to be.
I told you we should have turned left at that big statue.
You said that after we already walked 10 minutes.
Still counts. Okay, now what?
Let's not panic. We just need to find a street sign or ask someone.
I hate asking for directions. I always feel awkward.
It's fine. People are usually friendly. Just smile and start with, "Hi, sorry to bother you."
Okay, got it. Sorry to borrow you.
Not borrow, bother. Sorry to bother you. Borrow is when you take something for a while.
Oops, right. Sorry to bother you. Got it. Okay, we go straight, then second right. Got it.
That's what she said. Let's pay attention this time.
By the way, getting lost isn't too bad, right? I mean, we're exploring.
Exactly. Sometimes the best adventures start with a wrong turn.
Also, this city is really nice. I love the little streets and old buildings.
Same. And the smell of fresh bread? Amazing.
We should come back here tomorrow. Maybe even take a walking tour.
That's a great idea. Some tours are free. You just tip the guide.
Nice. Also, I saw a street market earlier. I want to buy souvenirs.
Like what?
Postcards. And maybe a magnet for my mom. She collects them.
That's cute. I usually get keychains. Or something small.
Or snacks. I want to try everything.
You always want to try everything.
Life is short. Eat the weird cookie.
Hey, look. That's the fountain we saw in the pictures.
Whoa, we actually made it.
See? No need to panic.
Okay, you win. But next time, I don't forget the map.
You mean won't forget. Next time, I won't forget the map. Future tense.
Ah, true. I won't forget the map. So, what do we do now?
Chill here for a bit, then maybe grab lunch?
Perfect. Do they have pizza around here?
It's Europe. There's pizza everywhere.
Bless this continent.
Hey, have you ever gotten lost in a new city?
What did you do? Did you ask for help or just wander around like us?
Share your story in the comments and tell us your favorite travel phrase.
And don't forget to follow us for more fun English like this.
And save this episode so you can come back before your next trip.
All right, time to find some pizza. See you next time.
Bye, travelers!